Here's a virtual tour of swimming with whale sharks in Oslob, Cebu, Philippines. The day starts early. I got picked up from my hotel, Pescadores Suites, Malbao, around 4 a.m. The drive to Oslob took a little over 2 hours. Once we arrived at the parking area, our guide walked us towards the sign-up area near the shore. Before getting in the water, we were given a quick presentation covering the rules and what to expect. And yes, there were a lot of people, like a lot. We waited for our group number to be called before heading to our boat, known locally as a banca.
She's complaining right now.
First sighting of a whale shark. We jumped into the water to start searching and almost immediately spotted one swimming just below someone's legs. Here's a close-up shot of the whale shark. As I continued swimming around looking for more whale sharks, I felt something brush against me as I was about to turn off my camera. It was a whale shark. I freaked out a little. These things are huge, and even a small bump could be dangerous. I turned off my camera right after it grazed me. I got so focused on trying to find whale sharks that I realized I had completely lost my boat.
Oh, sir, 167? 147? Yes. How about 16 something? I got lost.
I panicked a little, but I knew I had to find it.
I don't know where my boat is. Like 67? 67? Is it down there?
Still trying to find my boat. I don't think I realized I was still recording because I was so locked in on finding my boat that I swam right past a whale shark without even noticing. Then I passed by another whale shark, still didn't notice. Eventually I found my boat and went back to looking for whale sharks. I also spotted a sea turtle, and right after that, a whale shark appeared out of nowhere. Unfortunately, a group of influencers jumped in and blocked my view. After a few more minutes, we were called back to the boat and headed back to the shore. That marked the end of the Oslob whale shark experience. Thanks for joining me on this whale shark tour. I hope this virtual tour gives you a better idea of what to expect when swimming with whale sharks in Oslob. Like and subscribe for more virtual tours. Until next time, do your best and I'll catch you on the next one.